In this video, I'll show you how to write a database function in Supabase. First, sign in to your Supabase account and open the project where you want to create the database function. Next, click SQL Editor from the left-hand menu and select New Query. This is where you'll write the SQL code for your database function. After that, write your function using PostgreSQL syntax. Give the function a name, define any input parameters if needed, specify the return type, and add the SQL or PL pgSQL logic that you want the function to execute. Now click Run to execute the query and create the function in your database. If the query runs successfully, your function will be available for use. Finally, test the function by calling it from the SQL Editor or from your application using the Supabase client. Verify that it returns the expected results before using it in your project. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to write a database function in Supabase. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.